This is Joey Hughes and he's going to teach you how to build a table.
Go.
Hi, I'm Joey Hughes. This is my Genius Hour. I'll be making 2 wood pallet tables. For this, I'm going to use this here circular saw. I'm going to use this this drill. I'm going to use this drill too because it's like a screwing drill. Like this makes the holes, you screw it in with this. And then if I get too scared of this here giant circular saw, I'm going to use this jigsaw because that thing's scary. I've got some wood screws here for screwing it all together. And I've got my hammer and some drill bits. And this is a really rinky-dink DIY table video, so let's go. Here we go. We're gonna start cutting up this pallet. I'm gonna get little tiny kind of like half of these, like these planks here. I'm gonna cut them in like half, almost. So here we go, you know? So next up, after you butch the wood with the circular saw, like that there, it's cleaned up using this here jigsaw. So you put it in. Alrighty, so after you've cleaned up all the wood and made everything pretty much straight, you want to just line it up on top of these pallets here in a cool kind of pattern. I'm choosing this like kind of arrow pattern, right? So I don't know, I'm just gonna kind of take the pieces I think look the best, and I'm just gonna keep following this here pattern. So I'm going like 1 horizontal, then 1 vertical, and like the same thing, and then I'll take a different color one than these 2. I'm trying to make it look kind of a good variety, and I'll take like, see that one? That's a good example of one you don't want to choose because it's like the exact same color as other ones. So maybe I should take this bright one here and I'll put this here. But then I'm like, hey, that can't work because there's one right next to it the same color. So I gotta pull that back, take this off, and then I find one that's different. So this one's kind of different. And then I layer it on. And there you go. Well, now that I'm looking at this more, I don't like this one here. So I'm gonna take one of the brighter ones again, put that here, line it all up, the edges. And there we go. All right, so this is the final result of what I have done for today. In the future, I'm gonna get maybe some kind of a board and put it here. So almost like a piece of plywood, and make it like connect to all these pieces here. So I could make it black and have some kind of cool background, so the center piece of this table could just be this arrow thing I've done. All right, thanks for watching.
Try it yourself and put a link in the comment description below of your attempt.